Greetings from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Let me start off. I'm going to be 70 years old, my next birthday, and it's just been a roller coaster ride of health issues from day one, because I had double hernia operation when I was born. But what I'm talking about tonight is I come down with this diabetic ulcer issue. I'd say around 55 years old, I started to come down with diabetes. And the first thing I noticed was I was getting these like blister formations on my leg. And then, of course, they would pop, and the fluid would come out. And it was terrible because I'd have to sit with a towel under my feet. I was just leaking and leaking. And then for some strange reason, I've never heard of this. They just, the wounds kept getting deeper and deeper. And they were like a 3rd degree burn without the char, okay? I never heard of this. I go to the VA hospital in Pittsburgh, and if anybody knows how to treat wounds, it's the military. Didn't do anything for me. I changed my diet. I read about skincare. I took the hyaluronic acid, and of course the collagen, nothing. So for 5 years, I've been just dealing with this condition and nothing touched it, nothing. Well, about 2 months ago, I looked up the date because I wrote it on the calendar. It was May 8th. I just happened to see this, I guess a podcast with none other than Wendy and one of my favorite persons that I go to for health. And they kept talking about this patch. And I said, I don't know, what are they talking about, patch? Well, long story short, I did some research because there was on the bottom there, how to contact Wendy. And she got me in contact with this patch, this X39 patch. So took about a week to get here. And as soon as it came in the mail, I stuck one on. And of course, I knew it was going to take a couple days. Finally, like 2 or 3 days, the drainage stopped. Okay, I didn't have the drainage. And then I started to see those deep wounds, well, I call them wounds, had the appearance like they were filling up from the bottom up. And that's how you want your healing. You want that second intention healing is what they call that. It's starting to fill in those gaps, embarrassing gaps. I mean, I couldn't wear shorts. I couldn't go out in public with that without being covered up. And I'm having a whole new outlook on my health. It's just amazing. I'm sleeping. I've been an insomniac for years. I'm sleeping and I'm dreaming. Now, this is a godsend to me. I've never had that kind of sleep, and I can't remember when. But I'm feeling so much, I want to say healing down in that area where I have these injuries, because I can feel something going on in there. I didn't feel that before. It feels like there's something going on in there. So you'd have to say it was the X39 with the stem cell thing, activating something inside there, and it's working for me.
We've known for centuries that light has many effects on the body. LifeWave's phototherapy patches use light that can promote a general state of health and healthy activity unique to each LifeWave patch. Here's how the technology works. First, a patch is applied to specific points on the body. Where the patch covers the skin, infrared energy emitted from the body is reflected back into the body and then taps into the body's own natural flow of energy. LifeWave phototherapy patches promote an environment that enables the body to optimize its restorative energy and enhances your ability to live well without the use of harmful drugs or chemicals. To find out more, contact your distributor. LifeWave. Live long, live well.